Hey everyone! So today I will be revealing my Ancestry DNA results. I've been waiting so long for these results. I'm going to tell you when I got them. So I got the Ancestry DNA kit for my birthday. I've been wanting to take this test for the longest time, since last year. I actually put it on my vision board, and I'm glad that, I got to do it and everything. It was my birthday gift to myself. So I ordered it, and then I got it maybe 4 days later. So they received my Ancestry kit July 11th, and I got my results on August 12th. So that's exciting. Today is actually the 15th. And the reason why I haven't been able to do this video sooner is because I've been super busy and I just haven't had the time to sit down and see the results. But my brother and my mom and a few of my friends have seen my results, because there was a way I could go on my phone and share it without me seeing my results. So they already know what I am. So I'm excited to see it. I've probably seen every Ancestry DNA video on YouTube. I've been watching them every day. I've been keeping updated with them as they upload, and just refresh, see the new ones that come out every day. And that's how I was able to fill out when my test results would actually come, because the other people would say when they ordered theirs and when they got theirs. So they got theirs really quick, and I knew mine was coming soon, so it's only been 5 or 6 weeks. So why did I want to take the test? Well, before I was just really curious about what I am and my ancestry information and what part of Africa my family came from and all the other things. And a few things also pushed me to actually buy it instead of putting it off like I've been doing for a while. So one of the things is the new Roots that came out. I watched it, and they were actually advertising 23andMe DNA test kit, but I like how Ancestry.com does their DNA kit. They narrow down a little bit better than 23andMe, just from what I've seen on YouTube and all that stuff and my research. But just watching that movie, I'm just like, wow, I wonder where my family came from. And I watched the behind the scenes interviews where they gave the the actors their test, and they got to figure out where they're from. So I thought that was really cool. Another thing that inspired me to take the test was some parts of my family history. My grandmother doesn't know her father. I was trying to figure out who my other grandfather's father was, and that side of the family, because my family don't really know about that side. So I just wanted to see if I can get matched up with anybody on those sides to find these people. And the cool thing about Ancestry.com is that they match you with other people that have your, the same DNA as you, and your family members and first and second and third cousins. So I feel like that'll help me find these people. Growing up, I was always told that I was African, Native American, Irish, and Scottish, and that's only from my mom's side. And then on my dad's side, I've only heard African and Native American. So I took the test to find out my heritage and to get matched with family members that are long lost and unknown, pretty much. My predictions, I don't even know. Just going from my mother's side, from what I've been told, I would probably predict that I'm 75% African and 20% European, or Irish and Scottish, just Irish and Scottish, and the rest be Native American or whatever is in me that I don't know from my dad's side. I don't know. So I'm excited. I'm excited. And just looking at the pictures of the people that did upload pictures from my DNA matches, it's so It's so cool. Like one of them, I feel like they have my nose. Like we have the same nose, but you know, that could just be anything. But so yeah, let me know what you think I am, and then after this video, I'll upload my results. See you guys later.